Assalamu alaikum and welcome back. Our today's video is about dental anatomy. Because I discovered most of the registered nurses, they are working in dental department and then they are suffering because they don't know about the anatomy of the dental and they don't know what kind of instruments they should use and they don't know about the set of instruments for different procedure. So I decided to make step-by-step videos to support those nurses who are working in dental department. As registered nurses, their background is from medical, and medical and dental there is a huge difference. So I'm sure these videos will help out them. So let us start. What is dental anatomy? The teeth is the hardest substance in human body, as it's essential for the face shape and for the chewing. Normal adult cavity is having 32 teeth. Each teeth has 5 layers. The first layer name is enamel, the second layer name is dentin, the third layer name is pulp, the fourth layer name is cementum, and the fifth one is periodontal ligaments. Now what is enamel? The enamel is white part of your teeth which is visible and everybody is seeing. If this is damaged, the person start to feel cold and hot. The enamel is made up of calcium phosphate and rock hard mineral. Now the second layer is dentin. The dentin is just below the enamel. It is made up of hard tissues and contains small microscopic tubes. When the enamel is damaged, the heat and cold can enter to this dentin and patient feel pain or sensitivity. Now we will talk about pulp. This is a soft part and it contains blood vessels and nerves. I mean the blood vessels and nerves of the part of pulp, the third layer. Cementum is a fourth layer. Cementum connect the tooth with the gum and jawbone. The last one is periodontal ligaments. This is a layer that hold the teeth firmly against the jaw. In normal adult cavity, there is 32 teeth as I mentioned. These 32 teeth have different names. The first 8 teeth, which is the more visible teeth, 4 up and 4 down, it's called incisor. Beside these 8, there are 4 tooths, 2 up and 2 down, both sides. These are like very sharp teeth. These teeth's name is canons. After canons, there are 8 teeth, both sides 2 up, 2 down. These are premolar. Then next there are premolar. There are 8 molar teeth, 2 up, 2 down, both sides. And then there is wisdom tooths. These tooths come after the age of 18. Some people they remove wisdom tooths because the wisdom tooths can cause displacement of the other teeth also. Now we will discuss the common problems of the teeth. The most common issue is for cavity. The second one is decay teeth. The third one is periodontist. The fourth one is gingivitis. The fifth one is plaque. Number 6 is tartar. Number 7 is overbite. Number 8 is underbite. Number 9 is tooth grinding. Number 10 is tooth sensitivity. These are the common problems which we will discuss in future with full detail. If we will talk about the examination, there are 2 major examinations. One is X-ray and the number 2 is normal oral cavity examination. The last topic now we will discuss is treatment of the teeth. The common treatment which we should take. First of all, toothbrush, which is very common. Each person should do brushing of their teeth morning and evening to avoid the cavities, and same thing we should advise to our kids also. Number 2 is flossing. This will remove plaque where the brush cannot reach. Third one is rinsing the teeth with any antiseptic. Why, if you did a brush, why you need to do the mouth rinse with antiseptic? Because these mouth rinse will kill the bacteria which cause bad breath. Okay, we was talking about teeth cleaning. Teeth cleaning should be done by professional dentist. This is required like every 6 months. Tooth filling. This is required whenever the doctor did drilling or some part of tooth is removed or there is cavity. So the dentist will do the teeth filling. Root canal is required whenever there is a problem deep in the teeth, like it affects the pulp. Then the root canal is required. The next is tooth extraction. This is required when the full teeth is damaged and there is the filling and root canal is not working, then the tooth extraction is required. Braces. This is very long topic. Braces we will discuss in the future, inshallah. Tooth guard is a plastic piece which provide the protection against the tooth grinding. Most of the people, they are having a habit to do the tooth grinding. So tooth piece is required for those or risk of injuries during the support. The next treatment is tooth sealant. The last one is teeth whitening. We will discuss in future these all topics in detail one by one. Right, today I just told you anatomy. What is teeth? How many types of teeth we have, and what kind of examinations required for the oral cavity, and treatment options. Okay. In future we will discuss these all options one by one in detail. Hope this video will help out you. If you want more informative video and you really like this video, then share it with your family and friends and keep in touch. Subscribe this channel and press the like button.